How to watch F1 on Samsung TV. Now in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can watch F1 videos, F1 episodes, a series on your Samsung TV. The first things first is make sure that your Samsung television has a capable of downloading applications, even if it is a third-party app. Good thing that F1 TV is already available via Google Play or Google Play Store. Now, since Samsung Smart Television supports um, Android operating system, then you can definitely watch F1 in it. There's no need for you to turn on unknown resources files because that's only for third-party application. What you want to have to do is to pull up your Samsung TV's App Store and then look for F1 TV, download it, and you should be able to stream F1 TV. And that is how you watch F1 on Samsung TV.